Hello and welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to recover your Google Gmail account without phone number or password or recovery email. So if you have previously logged in with your Gmail account on your phone, and maybe you deleted everything or you wiped your phone and you want to re-sign in, I'm going to show you how to recover your account and change your password. So all you have to do is come over to your Google browser. Here you are going to tap on hold, click on app information, click on permission. So here you are going to scroll down, click on location. You are going to click on don't allow anywhere. So you close this one, you come over to your Google Play Store. Here you are going to click on app information, click on permission. Here you are going to click on location, click on don't allow. You close it and you come over to your Chrome browser, click on app information. Here you are going to click on permission and also click on location, click on don't allow. Here you are going to close. So once again, you come over to your Google Play Store. Here you are going to search for Phoenix browser. So you are going to search for Phoenix browser. So here, click on it. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the browser. All you have to do is click and open. Browser is open. You are going to see a Google search. So all you have to do is click on your Google search bar. And here by the right hand side, you are going to see sign in. So all you have to do is click on sign in. It will take you to signing in account. So all you have to do here is to enter the Google Gmail account that you want to recover. So you have to enter your Gmail account that you want to recover and you click on next. So here it's going to ask you to enter your password. So you are going to remember that you have already forgotten your password. You are going to click on forgot password. After clicking on forgot password, so here it's going to ask you to get a verification code. So if you don't have access to your phone number again, all you have to do is click on try don't have access to my phone, and here Google will say couldn't sign you in. So all you have to do is don't click on try again. If you click on try again and again, then Google is going to block your account. So all you have to do is close it. When you close it, all you have to do is come over to your setting, click on your Android setting. You are going to scroll down till you find Google. Click on Google. When you click on Google, all you have to do, by the right hand side, you are going to see a three dot. Click on it. So you are going to see help. Click on it. So here you are going to see a different bunch of options. All you have to do is click on search bar. You are going to type in login in issue. After clicking on login issue, so here you are going to see a different bunch of options. So you are going to click on can't sign in to your Google account. So you are going to click on it. Can't sign in on your Google accounts. Here you are going to see a different option. You're going to click on you think someone else is using your Google, which is fourth option. You click on it. Here you are going to see you can still sign in to your Google account. Follow this step to secure your account. So all you have to do is scroll down till you find where it says follow the steps to recover your account. So all you have to do is click on follow your step to recover the account. And here Google will automatically redirect you to Phoenix browser. Here you are going to enter your email address that you want to recover, and we are going to click on next. So after clicking on next, you are going to see welcome back. We were able to verify it is you because you have already signed in into this device before. So all you have to do is click on update password, and here you are going to enter a new password and enter and set a two-factor authentication. So this is the step. So please, if the video is helpful, don't forget to like and share and follow for more. Thank you for watching.